Before we start, did you know that one piece of avocado has half gram of sugar? Now move to the topic. Creatine is one of your body's natural source of energy for muscle contraction. It is an amino acid located mostly in your body's muscles as well as in the brain. Most people get creatine throughout seafood, red meat, and creatine supplements. The body's liver and kidneys also can make about 1 gram of creatine per day. Creatine helps to maintain a continuous supply of energy to working muscles while keep production up in working muscles. Small amounts are also found in your heart, brain, and other tissues. People take creatine orally to improve athletic performance and increase muscle mass. As you continue taking creatine, it helps muscle fiber growth by triggering biological pathways. Studies have shown a significant muscle mass increase among people taking creatine compared to those on the same training regimen who aren't take the supplement. Let's have a look at the top 6 advantages in detail. Strength, muscle size, and performance. Oral creatine use might allow an athlete to do more work during reps and sprints. Creatine is often used by athletes involved in high-intensity intermittent activities. Injury prevention. Oral creatine might reduce the frequency of dehydration, muscle cramping, and injuries to the muscles, bones, ligaments, tendons, and nerves. Cognition and brain health. Creatine supplementation might improve performance during cognitive tasks, especially in older adults. Sarcopenia and bone health. Creatine supplementation might help counteract age-related declines in skeletal muscle and bone mineral density. Skin aging. Early research suggests that a cream containing creatine and other ingredients applied to the face every day for 6 weeks might reduce skin sag and wrinkles in men. The bad news is that if you go off creatine, you wouldn't experience most of the benefits that come with taking this supplement, and instead you will be experiencing some side effects such as increased fatigue and muscle weakness.